the churn data sets, and we pull in the exports output tables to look at the table. So by the way, this is a different data sets. Yeah? So I'm not able to load my SPSS model in other machine. So the table nodes allow you to visualize the structure tables. Yep. And then we read the data into type nodes. So type nodes will show you the different data types. Yep. So you can see that all these different demographic variables, they are nominals. Nominal is the same as categorical variables. Yep. So you have the option to change the variable types. Okay? And then you can also visualize the data sets. So connecting the data sets to the graphic box and select one or more variables that are available to you. Right? So here we selected advertisements and total sales. Then we look at the bar chart. Yeah. Okay. So what it's showing you is the total sales, the average total sales by advertising category. Yeah. So for internet advertising, okay, the sales actually is the highest. Yeah. And no advertising obviously means that no sales. Yeah. Okay. And there's also graphical nodes, web nodes. So you can select a number of variables and then click run. So what it's telling you is, these are the important patterns in the data sets. Yeah. So we have a lot of customers that go to college, who are male, yeah, and single and married. Yeah. Two categories. Okay. So one nice thing about SPSS module, I think one of the strong features of SPSS module is for business users, you have no idea what algorithm to use, right? So you don't know whether you want to use decision tree, random forest, neural network, or SPM. Yeah. So SPSS does it for you. It has a node called auto classifier. So when you select this auto classifier and put it into the console and link it to the data, it will run the classification task using all the applicable methods. Yeah. And then it will output the top three rank methods. Okay, so once the model is trained, you will see a golden nuggets in the console. Yeah? So golden nuggets represent a trained model, yeah, which you can use in the production. Okay. So another nice thing about SPSS model is it will tell you which predictors or which variables are important. So in this case, the most important variables for this use case is advertising. Yeah? So advertisement generates generates sales. Yeah? That's quite obvious. Okay. So if you are familiar with decision tree, this should look familiar to you, right? So once we run the decision tree, we can interpret decision tree, right? How the nodes are split. Okay. Another nice thing about our SPSS model is it has the collaborations and deployment service. So once you develop a model, you can actually deploy it in the server and use it in your productions. Yeah? So compared to R and Excel, so SPSS actually take care of the end-to-end operations of model management and also deployment. Yeah? So I apologize because my SPSS model cannot be loaded in my machine, so I have to show you the video. Yeah. So I just give you a brief overview of how the analytics platform evolved from Microsoft to a scripting language and to a graphical user interface. So I think that concludes my presentation. So any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, thank you.